going to work on saving and exporting our Labyrinths for PDFs for submission to Canvas. So right now I have both of my artboards with these two example labyrinths that I just started working on. After I'm done, I can press Command S or come up to File and press Save. It's marked gray right now because this project is already saved on my computer. Once you do that, it might ask you for where you want to save the Illustrator file, which is a .ai file, and you will go ahead and put the Illustrator file in your project files folder. Okay. Now we will work on saving each of these artboards as their own separate PDFs. To do that, we're going to go up through File and come down to Save a Copy. So when I click on Save a Copy, I can rename, I'll say Labyrinth 1, and then my name. This is just an example of what you can name your file. Right now it's pointing towards the project files folder. I don't want to save it in project files. I can click on here, come back to project 1, and with the folders I have made in here, I can see one that says exports. I click on exports. I already did a test of the PDF, so that's why I see two PDFs in here. I might title this one, I'm going to put rectangular Labyrinth 1 Ryan Meyer. So right now it's automatically trying to save as an Adobe Illustrator or AI file. I want to change that. I'm going to click on this and change it to PDF, Adobe PDF. When I click on that, it's going to ask me, it's probably going to have it set on all for you. It's asking which artboards I want to export. So instead of all, I'm going to do one at a time. So I'm going to press range. I'm going to type in 1. So this is just going to export the first artboard, and press save. And then you can keep these settings the same and press save PDF. And it brings up what I just saved in Adobe Acrobat, which is PDF viewer. So I'll click out of that. I'll do this one more time with the second artboard. So I'm coming up to File, Save a Copy, change this to PDF. We'll change this to Circular Labyrinth Ryan Meyer. Get rid of it all. It put the word copy in there, so I'm going to take that out. It's directed toward the project files, but again, I'm going to change them and click on exports. And this time, range, we want artboard 2, so I'm going to take out the 1. I'm going to replace it with 2, so it's just exporting artboard 2. Press save and save PDF. And here's the second one. When I go to my folder here, I can see both of those files I exported along with 2 earlier test files automatically saved in my exports folder. Then you can upload the PDFs to Canvas for the submission.